They told you coffee was harmful for your bones. They cautioned you about losing calcium. But what if the health world has kept something remarkable from you? What if your daily cup could actually be the strongest shield against muscle decline that threatens your freedom after 60? Well, Swiss scientists have just revealed a discovery that shook doctors everywhere. 3 simple powders, when mixed with coffee, can actively reverse sarcopenia, the severe muscle loss impacting 50% of adults past 80. Not slow it down, reverse it. 1 increased muscle power by over 35% in only 12 weeks in adults 65 plus. The effects were so dramatic, the trial had to be repeated. Today, we expose it all. Number 3. Collagen peptides. Collagen is one of the most important structural proteins in the body. It works like a scaffold supporting your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues. After the age of 60, your natural collagen production starts to decline rapidly. By the time you reach 70, your body may produce as little as 25% of the collagen it once did. This decline explains why many seniors notice weaker joints, slower healing, and muscles that feel less stable or firm. When collagen decreases, your body loses the ability to repair muscle and tissue effectively. Without that support, muscles begin to degrade from the inside out, leading to decreased strength, mobility issues, and an increased risk of falls. Collagen peptides are a special form of collagen that has been broken down into smaller units through a process called hydrolysis. This makes them easier for your body to absorb than regular collagen. When added to your morning coffee, these peptides dissolve quickly and start working immediately. They are rich in key amino acids such as glycine and proline, which are essential for rebuilding muscle after daily activities, even light movements like walking, climbing stairs, or lifting groceries. Without enough of these amino acids, your muscles remain inflamed, sore, and under-repaired, gradually leading to sarcopenia, the slow but relentless loss of muscle mass. Scientific research backs this up. A 2019 study in Germany included 53 men over 65 diagnosed with sarcopenia. They were given just 15 grams of collagen peptides daily for 12 weeks. The results were astounding. Participants gained an average of 4.2 kilograms, over 9 pounds, of muscle without following an exercise program. The control group, in contrast, lost an additional 1.3 kilograms. This proves that collagen peptides directly help rebuild muscle and connective tissue, especially in seniors whose bodies naturally produce less. Adding collagen peptides to coffee is simple, convenient, and highly effective. 1 scoop, approximately 10 to 15 grams, dissolves without changing the flavor. Ideally, it is taken within 30 minutes of waking up. At this time, cortisol, the hormone that breaks down muscle, is at its peak. Collagen counteracts this catabolic effect, providing your muscles with the nutrients they need to start repairing rather than wasting away. For best results, avoid pairing it with sugary creamers, which can increase inflammation and counteract collagen's benefits. Also, don't add it to boiling coffee. Allow the temperature to drop slightly to protect the delicate peptides. The benefits of consistent collagen supplementation usually appear after 4 to 6 weeks. Seniors report better joint mobility, firmer muscles, and less joint cracking, particularly in the arms and legs. Consider the story of Walter, a 69-year-old retired mechanic from Ohio. He struggled to stand up, climb stairs, or lift groceries due to progressive muscle loss over 5 years. Blood tests revealed high inflammation markers and low collagen levels. By adding 1 scoop of marine collagen peptides to his coffee each morning, alongside light leg exercises, Walter regained over 30% of his leg strength in just 8 weeks. He now walks his dog every day, a routine he had abandoned years ago. This is not a miracle. It's physiology. Collagen peptides provide your body with what it can no longer produce, allowing your muscles and connective tissues to rebuild naturally. For seniors over 60, collagen peptides are a critical science-backed tool to protect independence, strength, and overall mobility. Daily use is simple, safe, and highly effective, making it one of the most accessible ways to combat age-related muscle decline. Number 2. Creatine monohydrate. Many people assume creatine is only for bodybuilders or gym enthusiasts, but this is a misconception that has kept countless seniors from protecting their strength. After 60, creatine isn't just beneficial, it's essential. It plays a key role in keeping your muscles energized, cells hydrated, and overall strength preserved. Yet studies show fewer than 5% of older adults use it. Why? Because it has been marketed almost exclusively to young athletes rather than the people who need it most. Seniors. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound stored primarily in your muscles. It's essential for producing ATP, the energy your muscles use to contract, lift, and stabilize your body. After age 50, creatine stores start to shrink, which means everyday activities like standing up, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries become more exhausting. This decline is one of the hidden drivers of sarcopenia, the progressive loss of muscle mass that threatens mobility and independence. Without enough creatine, muscles don't just weaken, they shrink, increasing the risk of frailty, falls, and injury. Here's the breakthrough. Adding creatine to your morning coffee provides an efficient way to replenish your muscles while giving you an energy boost. Caffeine actually improves absorption, making coffee an ideal delivery method. Research backs this approach. A 2022 meta-analysis in the Journals of Gerontology found that seniors who consume just 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily gain significantly more muscle mass and strength, even without intensive workouts. Leg press strength improved by over 20%, and muscle thickness in the arms and thighs increased noticeably within 8 weeks. Take Elaine, a 74-year-old retired English teacher from Vermont. She had stopped walking to the local market because her legs felt like jelly. Despite eating well and maintaining a healthy weight, she lacked the energy for even a 300-meter walk. Her balance declined and her thighs visibly shrank. By adding 3 grams of micronized, unflavored creatine monohydrate to her black coffee each morning, she started to feel a difference within 2 weeks. After 6 weeks, she was walking to the market again, and after 12 weeks, she had begun light yoga at home. Her muscle cells were finally being refueled, and her strength returned. For seniors, consistency matters more than dosage tricks. Take 3 to 5 grams daily, ideally in warm, not boiling coffee. Avoid sugary or high-carb additions, as sugar can counteract benefits. Drink plenty of water to support creatine's cellular hydration effects. While anyone with kidney concerns should consult a doctor, decades of studies show that creatine is safe and well tolerated in healthy seniors. Beyond muscle, creatine also supports brain function. Seniors who supplement daily show improved memory and faster mental processing, meaning it's not just your body that benefits, but your mind too. In short, creatine monohydrate is a powerful, clinically proven way to fight age-related muscle loss, maintain strength, and enhance overall vitality. When added to your morning coffee, it's simple, effective, and science-backed. A small daily habit with life-changing results for anyone over 60. Number 1, leucine. Leucine is the ultimate powerhouse, a single amino acid that has amazed researchers with its ability to reverse muscle loss in seniors without drastic diet changes or intense exercise. Think of it as the spark plug your muscles need to fire. Without it, your body may have all the raw materials for growth, but the signal to actually build muscle never turns on. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to ordinary protein. Even if you consume enough, your body might not use it efficiently. This is why many seniors feel weaker over time despite eating well. Leucine directly activates mTOR, the cellular pathway that signals your body to build muscle. Without enough leucine, this switch never flips, leaving muscles in a slow decline known as sarcopenia. Clinical research confirms its power. A 2023 randomized trial published in Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who added 4 grams of leucine daily to their diet increased lean body mass by 7.4% in just 8 weeks, without changing any other habits. Another 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that leucine supplementation improved leg muscle strength by 31% in adults over 65, especially in those not responding to regular protein intake. Leucine powder is generally flavorless, though it can have a slightly bitter edge. The best way to take it is in black coffee or with a small amount of unsweetened plant milk. The recommended clinical dose is 3 to 4 grams daily, about 1 rounded teaspoon. Add it once your coffee has cooled slightly to preserve its chemical structure. Unlike protein powders, leucine doesn't add creaminess or bulk. It's light, fast, and potent. Timing is crucial. First thing in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach or just with coffee, so your body is most receptive to anabolic signaling after the overnight fast. Avoid high sugar or high carb foods simultaneously, as they can blunt leucine's effect and shift your metabolism toward fat storage rather than muscle repair. There are a few safety notes. Do not exceed 5 grams daily consistently, as excessive leucine can create imbalances with other essential amino acids like isoleucine and valine. Anyone with kidney concerns should consult a doctor before starting a high-dose regimen. For healthy seniors, leucine is safe, well-tolerated, and one of the most studied compounds for preserving and rebuilding muscle. Consider Raymond, a 76-year-old retired school principal from Oregon. He had noticed his legs shrinking, his arms losing firmness, and even his voice becoming quieter. He was eating well and drinking protein shakes, but nothing worked. His daily leucine intake was only about 1 gram, far below what's needed to stimulate mTOR. By adding 3.5 grams of leucine to his morning coffee after his walk, he began to feel stronger by week 5. His legs were firmer, his balance improved, and he regained confidence in daily tasks. Leucine is simple, science-backed, and life-changing for seniors. Just a small daily scoop in your morning coffee sends a clear message to your body. Build, repair, restore. Your muscles are listening. They just need that spark to come alive again. So how do you use all 3 powders without complicating your routine? It's simple. Start your day with collagen peptides in coffee, Monday through Friday, to support joints, tendons, and muscle repair. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, add creatine monohydrate to recharge muscle cells, boost strength, and fight fatigue. On Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, swap creatine for pure leucine to directly trigger muscle protein synthesis. Take a break on Sunday to let your body rest and reset. This rotation balances repair, energy, and growth without overwhelming your system. 1 cup a day, and within a week, your muscles will already feel the difference. Now you know the truth. 3 powders, 1 coffee, and the potential to reverse years of muscle loss. The choice is yours. Keep losing strength or start rebuilding today. Have you ever added anything to your coffee for health? What was it, and did it improve your energy or strength? Share in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss important tips. Thanks for watching.